monthly, weekly, daily, and H4. So we are going to do a swing trade option on break or retest. So I think for this prospect, monthly, weekly, daily, and H4 is enough. And let them open this, close it. So here we have a monthly chart. Let's get the settings right. Here we have a monthly chart. So here we have daily chart, and here we have a H4 chart. So this is all we have. So what we do is first we have to analyze what we have a structure on the market. So we have a bearish structure right now, and currently market is a zone of support here. We have a support zone here. This is a complete zone here. So and we have a complete bearish structure on JPP, JPY, and we are right now on 2016 price action. So in the weekly time frame, exactly the same. Price is at a strong level of support here. This was a previous, so price created double bottom here. This is a double bottom here. Also, this is a previous. So on the daily time frame, here we see this is also double bottom. So this is a weekly, monthly, and daily support. Also in the daily time frame, price create a good bullish candle as well. So last we studied the price action detail, that once we have a bullish engulfing candle who break the high of the previous candle, so this is a bullish engulfing candle. So also this is a strong level of support here as well. So let's clone this. This is a daily support, weekly support, and on the H4 this is also a level as well. So in the lower time frame, price is stuck in a bad range here. So this is a range. Also we can consider this as a range as well. So we consider this as a whole range. So we have to wait for the price to break this range in the high side, then we can look for any kind of trade. Also in the downside, we have a strong level of support. So we have to wait for the price to break this strong level of support. Then we look for the sell option on a retest. So on the daily time frame, we have another option. What we do is once price come down to retest this created support, then we can look for the buy option. On the other hand, we can enter right now with the stop loss right below this level, because we have a strong level of support here, double bottom. So what we do is we have $500 account, so we open 0.02 lot here, and the stop loss right below the level 120, this right below this support here 129,700. So 129,700 is our stop loss, and our take profit would be, first target would be this 135, or can be this one as well. So we can go the higher stop take profit. So 135 is our first. So we are going to buy here because we have a bullish engulfing candle who breaks the high of the previous candle. Also, this is a strong level of support. So we are going to buy here with the small lot size. Sorry, we have put what we did wrong here. Let me close this. Remove this first because I have put this. So 135 is our take profit. So this is our first trade here. So the second option is once price come down to retest this level, then we add further positions. So let's run this trade here and see what is going to be happen. So this is also on H4 resistance as well. So let's see how it's going to work. So as we see that price come down to retest this level and create a wick, but still we have no confirmation. But on the daily time frame, that price coming down and get rejected from this level of support. So what we do is now we add another position here with same stop loss with same TP. So we add another position here, and on H4 and our bias is bullish, and we expect that the price could go up and break this resistance as well. On the daily time frame, as you see, price is respecting this area. So now on the daily time frame, price break this resistance on the higher time. In H4, price is breaking this resistance. So it is hovering around this level of. So now price break this resistance. So what we do is now we put our stop loss at break even for the second entry, because risk management is the key here. So we put both entries on the break even and let it run. And once price come to this level of support in the H4, basically price this candle close above this level of support resistance here. So once price come to this level, in after this we have this level of resistance. So once price come to this level, here we have a resistance. So then we can close our one position complete and then go for the another TP here. So now here is the thing. This candle break the resistance and close above this level. So this is also in a lower time frame. This is also level. So once price come down to retest this level, then we can look for another buy here as well. So we have two options here as well. First, we have to enter right now with stop loss right below this level. Here would be our stop loss below the structure. And the second option is once price come down to retest this level, create a wick some kind of, then we can look for the buy option on retest. So we have already two positions running. So here we see price is, so now price is coming back to retest this level. So on the daily time frame, we have a bearish candle. So now price come back, retest this level, also create some sort of support here as well. So what we do is now to add another position here with small lot size to manage our risk, and our stop loss would be right below this level. Already we have two trades running with 0.02 lots. So what we do is our stop loss right below this level 132. This would be our stop loss 132, and our TP would be this level 134. So we are going to, this is a break. Basically, these two candle break the strong level of resistance. Now price come back to retest this area, and we look for the buy on retest. So buy on a retest always a successful trade considered. So let's run this trade. So here is the thing. This is a structure. Basically, price go up, make a high. Let me show here. Here is the thing. Price go up, create a high, and then come back down to retest this area, and now again go up to create a new another higher high. So what we do is price break the structure here. So we put our stop loss right above this structure because our stop loss is safe by the structure. So what we do is put your stop loss at break even. This is the third trade we are running here. So we also close partial positions as well. So close a part, 50% we are going to close it for each trade. Close a part, 50% we are going to close it. Another close a part, 50% we are going to close it. So we have secure partial position of all three positions, and let's run this trade further on. So now on the daily time frame, this is a strong level of resistance here as well. Last time price come to this level and get rejected very much. This is a very good swing point. After that price go all the way down. So we have to be very careful such strong levels. So let's clone this level on the lower time frame. So this is the level. So let's see how price behave. Also in H4, this is also good level of resistance here. So we have to be very careful in this level. So price, this candle also break the structure in the high side. Now we have get a rejection here. So what you do is secure further positions as well. Further 50% close. I think it is not, we should close complete position now and let the run one position completely. So price is running. So here is the another thing here. What we see here, we have a bearish engulfing candle right now. This price action break the low of the previous, also this candle. So also this is a strong level of resistance here. So what we do is we secure our all complete positions here, and now we can look for the sell option here because we have a confirmation in the shape of bearish engulfing candle. This candle engulfed the previous candle, also break the low of the previous candle as well. Also this is a minor support as well. Here you see this is a minor support. Price, this candle break the structure and we consider this as a fake out. So what we do is we enter as a sell position and our stop loss would be above this structure. We can go with here, this would be our stop loss, but on the other hand we can go with this, but the good stop loss is above the structure, so we have to go with the on the high of this candle. So this would be a risky trade because the structure is bullish right now, so we go with 134 411. This is our stop loss. So and our take profit, we this would be our take profit 132,590. 132.590. Our take profit is first support. Next support is our take profit. So we are going to enter as a sell position. So let's run this position. So price is hovering. So I think this would be a loss. So price. So this is all we have. So price get hit our stop loss. So and heading towards the next resistance on the daily time frame. Yes. So this would be a risky trade. That is why we lower down our risk as well. So what we do now is
Danish, I cannot see the trade on my screen. Is it working?
yes, it is working. I think so that.
Okay, let me join in.
Everyone is seeing my screen right now.
हाँ जी देख रहा है.
दिख रहा है.
Yeah,
बस ठीक है.
yeah, nazar aa raha hai, but just quick question. Is this recorded as well? Because obviously it's quite complicated for some to understand. Maybe we can view it again later.
Yes, it is recorded, and we
Thank
also
you.
upload to the YouTube as well.
Okay, thank
So,
you, Jazakallah.
Thank you. So we have a bullish structure. So price heading towards the strong level of H4 support, but this is all about strategy, where it works in forex. Not no strategy is 100% strategy, so we have to accommodate the way price moves. So price heading toward the strong level of resistance right now. This is a strong level of resistance, so we have to wait how price behave in this. So price is breaking the structure in the high side. So this is another good level of resistance.
Can you go on H4?
Yes, this is H4.
I think on daily it was a clean candle, so this would have been a good trade if we would have caught this on the retest, but there was no
Yes,
retest as such.
yes,
This area we did not touch the level, so that's
sorry.
why this could have been a missed trade until unless everyone has experience in the markets.
Yes. So right now price is heading toward a strong level of support. This is H4 support. This is a daily support as well. So if price creates some sort of solid resistance at this point, then we can look for the sell option here. So price is just hovering around this level, and now we have a solid candle here. So it would be a risky trade because we have a bullish structure. Maybe price break this, so we get entered to a trade with low down our risk, put our stop loss right above this level, 138,960, and our take profit would be 135,627, 135,627, and this is our trade. So once price break this level in the downside, then we can add further positions as well. So let's see how price behave in this level. So as this price creates some resistance and then next candle go up to retest this level. So now we have a strong bullish bearish engulfing candle. So now we have to wait for the price to come back up and retest this level. So once price come back up to retest this level, then we can look for the sell option again. So now we have two
At this
options. Now
area, we have to break even the trade.
yes. So right now we are going to break even our trade here. So once price come back up to retest this level, then we can look for the sell option again. Also, we can put sell limit order here as well, because this is, so let's go with the sell limit order here. And what is the price here? The price is 136,852, 136,852, and our stop loss would be above this level. This is a structure basically. Let me show you. This is the structure basically. This is a structure. So our stop loss right above this structure here. So what is our stop loss would be right above this structure is 137,918. So 137,980 is our stop loss, and our target would be this zone here, 133,800. So let's see how it works. So this is a sell limit order here. Let's run this position. If price come back up to retest this level, then we can go with. So one trade is our close. So as we see that price come back up to retest this level exactly, and now it created resistance again. So it is going very good. So now we are going to, this is another structure here. Also you see this candle here, you see this is a structure basically. Now this candle break the structure. Now what you do is to put your stop loss at break even and expect that price will not come back up to take you out from the trade. So put your stop loss at break even here and let the price run. So now price is going all the way down. Our trade is risk free right now, so we expect that price would go down all the way. So as we see that price go all the way down and hit our take profit. So we took almost how many trades we took here? We took we have two loss positions here, and we have only one loss here, and 8 wins here. So now this is another strong level of support that price recently break here. So we see how price behave at this level, and let's remove these levels first and then draw the fresh levels again. Let me remove first these levels. So this is a daily level, and here we see price respect this daily level and go all the way down. Also price break this level as well. This is a previous resistance now turned to support, but price have a strong bearish momentum, and now price break this level of support as well. So on the daily time frame we can look another sell here as well, but on the lower time frame we have a structure as well. So we have to wait for the price to break this support in the lower time frame, and then we look for the sell option here again. But if you look on the daily time frame, we can go for the sell right now, but we have to wait for the price to come back up to retest this level. And once price come back up to retest this level, then we can look for the sell option with stop loss right above this level. So this is our structure, and once price come back up to retest this level, then we can look for the sell option. So we have two options here. We can go with the sell limit. So our sell limit is right here, 135. 135 is our sell limit, and our stop loss would be above this level, 136, 4, 500. And our TP would be, we expect the price would go down to retest this level again, 130, 130.600. So this would be our sell limit order. So let's see how price, if price go up to retest this level, then it would be activated. So as we see that price, so GJ and gold has one thing that it did not go up to retest most of the time. So now price has not come back up to retest this level, so we have to remove our order here. So this is a strong level of daily support. So let's see how price behave at this level. If price break the level in the downside, then we can look for the sell option. But if price respect this level, then we can go with the buy option here. So this is our structure here. So on the H4 time frame, we can adjust our levels according to lower time frame. So this is the structure. So we have to wait for the price, how it behaves. So if price respect this level, then we can look for the buy option. But if price break this level, then we can look for the sell option here. So on the daily time frame, price create a support here, but there is an issue. We have a strong bearish momentum. Also, this candle did not fulfill our buy condition as well. What we discussed on the last lecture, that we have to look for the bullish engulfing candle who break the high of the previous candle. So this candle did not break the high of the previous candle. Also, we have a strong bullish bearish momentum. So we cannot look for the buy here right now. So as you see that next candle go all the way down, it breaks the low of the previous candle. So in the H4, price is just hovering around this level of support. So now price break the structure in the high side. as we see. In the daily time frame, we can look for the buy option, but it would be a risky trade because we have a strong momentum. Also, we have a minor resistance here as well. So let's take a risk here and go for the buy option. What do you recommend, Mr. Ali? Should we go with the buy option here?
Definitely, definitely. Let's check what happens because we already had a good winning streak, so taking a small risk wouldn't affect us. So,
So
for the
one
educational purpose, let's see what happens.
so 129,600 is our stop loss, and we are targeting this area, 135.
I think it's better if we target this area for half position.
This
This is a minor level.
this
Let's see
area,
what happens.
well, we are targeting 135. Let's 135. So we are going with buy order here. So, oh, prices go all the way down. So I think this is such kind of news and something else. Yes, this is some kind of news. That's why price go all the way down. Almost, what is the price is? It go all the way down almost 700 pips. So this is some kind of news. Also, we have a news spike here. We see this is a news, some kind of, but price break the structure as well. So this is the structure basically, and this is a structure, and price go all the way down to break this the structure. Now we have an option here. Once price come back up to retest this level, then we can look for the sell option here. So what we do is we can put stop loss here or sell limit order here with our target is 129,363. Pending order sell limit 129,686, 129,300, let's say, and our stop loss is above this 130, 130, 600, and our take profit. Let's see what is our take profit. So this is the next level. Basically, this is the next level, 126. Right now, price is 128. Also break the structure. So we have a nice clean traffic here. We see. So we have a nice clean traffic. Right now, price is 128. Also, we have a nice clean traffic on the left. So we expect that price go all the way down to hit this 126.186. So let's see how price behave at this. So this is our target, and so in H4, this is a structure, this is a target, and 126, 200 is our target. So sell limit order has been put. So let's see how once price. So as we see that price come back up to retest this level, and create a resistance as well. So this is how break and retest works. This candle break the structure, and the next two candle come up to retest this level, and after that we have a strong bearish candle. So as we see that price go all the way down and hit our target. So this is how break and retest work. This is a strong daily candle, and the price break the structure, and the next candle go all the way down and come back up create resistance here again, and then go all the way down. So let's see how price behave next. So we have a, so now as we see that this is a bullish engulfing candle. Also this is a strong, also this is a level in a daily level as well, as we see that 126 is a daily level as well. So this candle create a strong bullish engulfing candle and create a support here. So what we do now is we go with buy position with stop loss right below this level here, 125, 125, 200, and our target is the high side resistance. What is our high side? This is our target. We look that price would go up to hit that target, 128,420. So we go with market order, market execution order. So price is just hovering around our entry price. So now price break this minor resistance here. So what we do is put our stop loss at break even. Let's break even our trade. So next candle go down and just take out us and on break even. So we need to wait for the price to break this resistance on the high side, and in the downside we have this range. So trade in a range is not a good option. So we have to wait for the price to break this range either on the high side or either on the downside. And this would can be considered as a fake out as well. So let's see how price behave at this level. So price is just stuck in a range here. So this is not a good range to trade. After once price break this resistance in the high side, then we can look for the buy option. So this is not a good range to trade. We have to wait for the clean traffic. So there is no clean traffic here. Pathetic range. So as we see, price go up, retest this level, but get rejected. So now this candle close above this level of resistance. So it would be a risk. Let's take a trade here. We'll put our stop loss right below the structure. This is a structure basically 127,908, 127,908, and we are targeting this area. This is the area we are targeting, 131, because we have a nice clean traffic on the high side with just minor resistance at this point. So once price break this resistance in the high side, then we have a clean traffic towards 131. So let's buy here and see how price behave at this level. So this is the minor resistance, and as we see that price just respect this level as well. So we have to, so once price break this level in the high side, then we can, so as we see price break the structure in the high side. Now what you do is put your stop loss at break even. Simple process. Put your stop loss at even close half here. Do not close half here because we have a clean traffic on the high side. So let's run this trade. So we take out again as a break even. So I think this is some kind of news. Yes, this is another some kind of big news. This is a news candle. So you have to include fundamentals with your technical analysis as well. So basically this is a software. We cannot get the live news here. So when we do live trading, we have a forex factory and different websites, so we can look different news fundamental as well and include our analysis fundamental with our technical analysis, and can prevent such kind of big candle without. So let's run this further. So price create a support here again, and let's take another trade here. It would be a risky trade, but let's take a trade here because price create a support here, and in the daily time frame, yes, price respecting this level of support here. Also, we can say that this candle come back down to retest this level of support here. So if somebody trade on a daily time frame, so this would be a perfect buy on a retest. Price respect this area, go all the way up, and the next candle come down to retest this area, and this would be a perfect buy. But we missed already. So in the H4, price create a good support here. So what we do is go with another buy here. We put our stop loss right below this candle wick 127. Okay, and target is same 131 because, so let's run this. So after this, so most of the time when such news comes out, and after this one market drop the news, then such moves get corrected. Most of the time it gets corrected, especially in JPP JPY. There is a, in the last 3 to 4 weeks, you see there is a Brexit news and JPP JPY go all the way bullish, and once news market absorbs such kind of news, and after that price go all the way down and correct whole complete move in the downside. So this happens most of the times in JPP JPY, in mostly all the pairs, in gold especially and such. So as we see that price go all the way up and hit our take profit as well. So we have a clean traffic on the left, so price go all the way up, and so if price break this level, then we can look for a buy on a retest as well. So this would be our last trade. After that we go, so this is a daily level as well. After this, above this, we have a clean nice traffic on the left. So if price break this level, then we can look for the buy option to target this daily level 136. So let's see how price behave at this level. Also, here's the thing, this is a structure that, as we see that this bullish momentum go all the way up, break the structure here, so price come retrace down, come down to retest this level. So this is also a good buy level as well, but we avoid it because we have a strong daily level ahead on the high side. That is why we avoid it. If there is no daily level on the high side, as we see, so we can go with the buy position right now here, but there is a daily level on the high side, so that is why we are bit conscious not to look for the buy at this position. So once price break this level on the high side 131, 132, also such round figures, such round numbers, price numbers, also psychological level as well. So let's see. So as we see, price break the level in the high side in the daily level as well. So what you do is simple, go with the buy position and put your stop loss right below this wick of this candle 131. This would be your stop loss, and we are targeting this daily level. This one is 136 240 T6. So we are going to buy this. So let's see how price behave at this level. So as we see, price go all the way up and hit our table. This is the, so always look for the clean traffic, good setups. Do not stuck in a range. Mostly people stuck in a bad range and then ended up with loss or no profit. So always look for the good trade setup. Buy on a retest is always a secure setup considered in a forex market. So once you have a structure, once you have a momentum, like we have a bullish momentum right here, and price go all the way up, and we look for the buy option. So once we have a bearish structure, we look for the sell option. As we see this trade, price go, this candle break the structure in the downside, and then what we do is we look for the sell option. So here we see price go break the structure in the high side. What we do is we look for the buy option. So always trade with the trend. So once we trade with the trend, it always a secure and safer option, because counter trade on a, like we have a bearish structure and we look for the buy option, is not a good uh, trade setup. So always look for the go with the trade with trend. So anything, so this is all we have for this live back testing session. So we are going to move on. Any question you guys have, you can ask, we can answer them.
I think let's move on to the weekly analysis for the charts so everyone can know that what's the weekly outline of the charts.
Okay, let's move down to the our weekly analysis here. First, let's see the results here, what we have done and how much our account is. So we have 500 account, and now we have $758 in our account. So what we do is, let's see the statistics. We took how much? We took 16 trades, and we have 5 losses. We have 11 wins, and how much we get? We have got 258 GPP. So good win, not a bad.
Actually, the part of financial markets is that not every time everyone is profitable. Whoever says that this is lying. So we eventually what matters is that we are in net profit even after incurring like 6 losses. We are still in profit. That's what matters the most in financial markets.
Basically, the risk management is the key. We can only control our losses to manage our risk. Profit is not in our hands. So risk management is the key in the trading. We get 3 losses, but once we have 1 win, then all losses get recovered.
Actually, what happens is what people do, the beginners and amateurs, when they incur 3, 4 losses in a row, they get so demotivated that they keep on taking revenge trades. Due to that, they keep on incurring more losses. So even if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row, don't be demotivated or disheartened because this is part of the market. Even if you have 6 losses, you can get those losses back if you are managing proper risk.
Yes. So we are going to analyze gold for the next week. So in a gold is heading towards, gold is almost test this level, 763. There is a previous, so this is a previous level as well. Gold is, this is the previous structure. This is a gold previous structure. So gold is hovering around the strong level of support here. So this is a weekly support. In a daily time frame, so in a daily time frame, price, here you see, this is a level. Let's adjust our level according to lower time frame.
Actually, we also have this level, Danish.
Yes, please.
I think the level you drew is totally fine. I agree with that. But we also have this level.
Yes, but price already break this level in the downside. As you see, this candle go all the way down and hit
Yes,
our
yes.
stop losses
Drew the level.
last day.
Exactly. So
Yes.
the other support we have is this one right over there.
Yes. So so right now price. So as we see that price respect this level of support right now. So in the high side, we have this level. So there is two option here. So first is price go up to retest this level, and then we look for the sell option here after the confirmation. And the next target would be this below. First target would be this level again, 770. And once price break this level, then in the lower side, we have this structure. So this is the second target. On the other hand, if price go up and break the structure in the high side, let's say price go up and break the structure in the high side, then what we do is we look for the price to come back up, to come back down to retest this level, and then we look for the buy option. And in the high side, our target would be this zone. So these are the two trade options for the next week. But right now, price is just hovering between the two strong level of support and resistance. In between this, we cannot look for any kind of, in my perspective, I cannot look for any kind of trade right now, because in the daily, let's move down to the H4 time frame. In H4, yes, price create a support here. So maybe price go up to retest this level, 1800 psychological level. So once price come back up, let's remove this.
I think Danish, due to fundamentals as well, gold is more to the downside than to the upside. So we should
Yes,
be more focused towards shorting because whenever the vaccine announcements are made, gold just
yes,
drops.
yes. But maybe in a shorter intraday, maybe we may see a 1800 retest. So once price come back up to test this 1800 level, then we can look good sell level. I think is 1800. So
Yes,
or on the
exactly.
or
I agree.
on the other hand, if price break this 770 level, 775 level, then there would be another sell level. But good thing is the price should go up and then create some sort of resistance at this zone, and then we can look for the sell option and target this 770. This would be our target. This could be possible.
Exactly.
But if somehow
And
price,
also,
yes,
yes, sorry, continue.
yes, I'm saying that if somehow price break the level in the high side, let's say price break this 1815 level in the high side, then I think sell would not be a good option. Then we can look for the buy option, because this is a good structure here, 1800. So um, if price break in the high side 1815, 1820, then we can go for the buy option. But it look very, the possibility of buy the to break the structure in the high side is very less. But gold is gold, anything possible. Gold can do wonders.
Yes, that's right.
So this is
So
our
this is
sell.
about gold.
Yes, please.
This is all about gold. What Danish mentioned, beautiful analysis by Danish. So that's totally fine. If you want to look for sell option, look at these levels. That's it.
Yes. So 1800 is our sell. This would be our, let's mark this here, 1800 to 1810 is our potential sell zone once price come up to retest this level, but sell after the confirmation with resistance formed. So this is our sell zone here. So on the other hand, if price break the structure in the downside, let's say price second sell option, if price break 775, then sell on a retest to target 750. But as we have a theory that always sell on a high, so we want that price should go up to retest this level, and we look for the sell around 1800 to 1810 after the confirmation. So this is all we have for gold. So let's move on to the next pair. We have JPP, JPY. So here we have JPP, JPY. So let's do the fresh analysis, move towards weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, JPP, JPY is super bullish right now. So here we see this is a structure here. As you see, this candle close and break above the structure. Also this candle created such a long wick with small body. So what does it mean? There's a possibility the next candle go up to fill the wick of this candle. So this is a wick fill candle. So if somebody want to trade on weekly time frame swing trade option, what you do is once market open, just put your stop loss right below this level 137 800 and go with the buy position to target this zone. This is the first option on the weekly time frame what we see. So on the daily time frame, what is so in the daily time frame, as we see, let's go in deep for this. Here we see we have a strong bearish momentum. After that, price retrace against this bearish momentum, and now price again go up to break this level on the high side. And after this after this bullish momentum, price go down to retest this level. This is the previous resistance, now turn to support. Price come back down to retest this level, and again we have a bullish momentum. But this is also a strong level of resistance here. Sorry. So this is also a strong level of resistance here. So price get rejected from this zone, also come back down, but it is still holding this strong level of support. So if price creates some sort of support at this zone, or if somebody comfortable with the current price action, they can go with the buy position with stop loss right below this zone. This is a structure basically. If price break the structure in the downside, then we have no buy option. After the break of this structure, we have a clear sell option. This is a strong level of support. Previous,
Can you draw the retracement as well?
yes. So this is the bullish momentum here.
No, retracement, the lower part from the top swing.
Okay.
Uh,
This is the
from here. From here.
okay. The recent. So as we see, this is a sorry. So this is a strong. As we see, this our retracement is just hit 61.1. So goodbye is around this level. Price just go further, come down and retest this 138 level. And once price hit 138 level, then we can look for the buy option and put your stop loss right below the structure 137 50 70 pips stop loss, and then target the daily level, because if price respect this area this time again, then hopefully price break the structure in the high side. And after that, once price break the structure, this structure in the high side, then we have a clean traffic on the left. Then there is no, I think, hurdle. The price go all the way up to retest this 142 level. We just need to price to show respect this level 138, and after that we look for the buy option to target this 142 level. Also, there is a news surrounding around that Oxford is launching the vaccine. So once we have a vaccine news, then JPP, JPY is super bullish. In the H4 time frame, as we see, our daily, weekly, and H4 levels almost match with each time frame. So once level overlapping in each time frame, it gets stronger and stronger, and it gets respected in many ways. So this is a strong level. So and also we see that price there's just tap to this level and go up. So we need to wait for the price a bit lower down and create some sort of support, or just go with buy limit with 138. Put your stop loss right below this structure. 137, 100 pip stop loss to target 300 pip, 142. It would be a good option. So let's see how price behave. So we are super bullish for JPP, JPY. But if
But
price,
if we analyze the downside, what do you think, Danish? And Mateen is also over here. Mateen, what do you suggest? The down move. What's the down move if we try to evaluate the down move of GJ? What do you
to
think?
go to go down, I think price need to break this 137 level first. 137 level. So once price break this level, and then we look for the sell option on the retest, and in the downside we can target this area. First would be this zone. This would be our first target around 136, and after that this would be second option. You can say that 100 pip move, and below this we have a clean traffic towards 130. There's a bit noisy area in the downside, but in the high side we have a clean traffic. So let's see how price behave. But first movement in the downside we have almost 200 pips. So we need to wait for the price to break the structure 137,500. Then we can look for the sell option. Above, if price hold above this zone, then there is no sell, because there is a previous resistance now turned to support. There is 2 time rejections, and then again price come down, get respected. Now price again coming down to this level. So I think this is a strong level, 137,500.
Actually, we have a bullish bias on GJ, but just for the education, we need to see the downside as well. So, in order, if the market in case breaks down, so we would be able to execute the trades based on the down move. So, overall,
Yes,
we are bullish on GJ. So, we're going to place buys over this area, which Danish mentioned
yes, I have
at the
also
level. What was the price?
138
138. Yes.
with 100 pips SL to target 142. But if price breaks 137,500, then there is no buy, and then we look for the sell option on a retest of 137,500, and our target would be 136 followed by 135, 134. So this is the whole theory of our analysis, both buy or sell option. So everybody want to screenshot this, do it. So goodbye is about goodbye at 138 with 100 pips SL to target 142. This is the target 142. But if price break 137, this is the 137 level. So if price break 137,500, then there is no buy. And once price break this 137.500, then we should close our buy positions and manage our risk. And after that, once price break this 137,500, then our target would be, first target would be 136 followed by 135, and this would be our next target. So we are expecting that price hold this area. So this is all we have for JPP JPY. Sorry for the next. Anyone
We
want
will
to
also
add?
send all of you the screenshots of the analysis we are doing, so you have your week sorted out for the pairs we are analyzing. We will share
Also
these
we
on the Telegram chat.
yes, also we are uploading these this video in the YouTube, so they can get from where else.
Yes, whoever misses it, you can see it on YouTube.
Yes, so we have another pair is Euro USD. This is our last pair to analyze. So in the Euro USD, so Euro USD is just head hovering around the strong level of monthly. This is a strong monthly level. Also, there is a psychological price 120. here, but price is super bullish. So if price break this level and close above this zone, then there is a clean traffic towards this zone. So Euro USD is super bullish, but it is heading toward the strong level of. So as we see that this weekly candle close above all the previous. So, but there is a psychological level here. Last time price come back to 120 and get rejected. So we need to wait to candle break the high of this candle 120, and then we can look for the buy option. So in the so as you see the price break the structure in the high side. So there is no sell right now. There is no confirmation of sell. So let's adjust our zones accordingly. So as we see that this current candle break and close above this zone, and it is enter towards the strong level of supply zone, or what we say resistance zone here. So we need to wait for the price to break this is a strong, last time that there is no level, but this is a strong psychological price 120. Last time price come to this level and get rejected very much and go all the way down. So we need to wait for the price. There is only 40 pips range. So if any candle break the high of this candle, then we can look for the buy option. On the other hand, we can also look for the buy option on a retest right here, 119,350, and target this 120 area.
Can you go on
So
the weekly, Danish?
yes, here you see that this current candle break and close above all the previous candles. Here you see.
Yes, yes, yes.
Also on the left side, there is no strong level. There is a clean traffic till 122. Also, we should ignore. I think we should not include this level here, because price go up.
It
We
has
not
been
respect this
broken,
level.
yeah, two times
Yes,
with a lot of pressure. This
a
should
lot
be
of pressure.
ignored.
But there is only this wick. I have a issue with this wick because 120 is a psychological price, and then price. This is the only issue. This rejection candle.
I I think what may happen is, can you go to the daily?
Yes.
What can happen is that if we, the good buy would be if we come down here
Yes.
and this area is good support. So if it comes down here, you can buy from here till here as well. And secondly, if market simply just goes like this, and if for some unforeseen events it breaks this level of this wick, all this area is stop losses of a lot of short sellers at this level. So
Yes.
once it triggers this area, what's going to happen is it's going to be a massive pull to the upward, push to the
Yes.
upside. So you have to be very careful around all this area so that you may catch good pips. This area is all where the short seller stop losses will be placed.
Also, this could be a rejection zone as well. If price get rejected from this zone, so we can look for the sell option as well. But right now there is a super bullish momentum. We cannot ignore. We
Exactly.
cannot look for any kind of sell opportunity right here. In the H4 time frame, here we see this is the last time rejection zone. This is the one almost 120. Yes. So in a short term setup, we can look for the buy option to target this area with 30 to 40. How much is the range is? In intraday setup, the range is good 40 pips. We can trade it, but on a swing trade prospect, we need to wait price to come up to this level. And once price break this level, then buy would be a good option on a retest. But if price get rejected from this zone with a solid confirmation like bearish engulfing candle or some kind of that stuff like the last time, here we see last time price come back to test this level, and we have a strong bearish engulfing candle. Once we have such kind of candle, not such kind of candle, but once we have a good bearish engulfing candle, then we can look for the sell option. But we have to manage our risk carefully because the pair is very much bullish. So both option can be work out here, but we need to wait and get the confirmation from the price action and then execute our trade setup accordingly. So both buy and sell option could be triggered. So our buy option would be buy above this zone, and once we have any kind of resistance with bearish engulfing candle, then we can look for sell option around 120. So this is our, let's write it down here. Good buy above 1.20 after the break, and look for the buy on a retest. Also, this could be a rejection zone. So if we have good bearish candle, then sell would be a good option, but sell would be a risky option. Sorry, sell is a bit risky option, but it can be played out. But buy would be a good option. So let's see how price behave at this season, and then we execute our trade.
I think good buy would be at this level too. Can you zoom out a little bit?
Yes.
Yes, this area is the area we have to look out for, because if this area is broken down, we might see a bearish structure forming from H4 onwards to the higher time frame. So this area is the area you have to be aware of and you have to be very vigilant about.
Okay. So another good buy zone is 1.19000. So these are the two
Yes.
buy option. But once it break 1.190, then there is no buy. So basically we need to wait for the, if price come back down to this level, if any candle close below this level, then there is no buy. But if any candle respect this area, like we have a support has been formed at this area, then we can look for the buy option. But if H4 candle break and close below this 1.19 area, then there is no buy option, because this is a previous resistance, one, almost two, almost three, and after that price break the level in the high side, and then price come back down to retest this level. It means we have a 4 confirmation here. So resistance turn to support, and price also respect this level. So if price respect this level again, then we can look for the buy option. But if price close and break this level in the downtrend, then there is no buy, and then we look for the sell
Actually,
option.
on a second thought, Danish, what I personally think is, with my trading experience, what I think, as you have mentioned, that this level is also a daily level, which also matches
Yes,
with H4, right? So
yes,
what has happened is there has been so many touches on this level, and this was a break. So if I would make this level on H4, it would be something like uh, this, right?
yes,
So a lot of touches has already happened on this level. So what I think is, when market comes down, it might break this level.
yes. Also in the US dollar prospect, um, it is getting strength day by day. So we have a strong bullish momentum for Euro USD. Hardly seen any kind of retracement in all the time frame. So maybe we get a bearish momentum in the next few weeks for the once US dollar gets stronger and stronger. Also, vaccine news is getting around.
Yes, yes. Also, this is the last month of the year, so the volume is gonna die down pretty much. So everything is going to restart from January onwards. So this month we have to be trading on low risk.
Yes. So guys, this is all we have for today. Any question you have, you can ask. On the other hand, we are going to close the session today. I think there is no question. So anything
Yes,
you want
let's
to add,
wind this up.
Mr. Ali?
No, that's all about it. You mentioned the analysis pretty clearly. So let's see how these levels hold up this week. So that's about. And also, at Muscle Capital, we are basically an investment firm. So what we do is we manage funds, and we have a few investors. So if anyone is willing to hit us up for investment management or stuff, we have provided the business number. You can contact us over there, or you can write to us on the email, or you can also ask us anything on Telegram. That's about it, Danish.
So thank you so much, all of you guys who attend the session. So this is all we have for today. We'll be back again on Wednesday again at the same
Wednesday.
time. So thank you so much, all of you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.